What's made of leather and sounds like a sneeze? A shoe. I just read that California leads the United States in both depression rates and cases of infidelity. Talk about a sad state of affairs. I just fired the maid for playing the fiddle. I will not tolerate domestic violins. Friend of mine has got a new job in a chess piece factory. He starts on nights next week. Out of all the inventions in the last 100 years, the dry erase board is probably the most remarkable. My grandpa was in a band called the Hinges. They opened for the Doors. What's a cannibal's favorite shampoo? Head and Shoulders. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. Hey Dad Joke listeners, if you are a fan of the NBA, check out my other podcast called Yesterday's NBA Results. I'll give you a quick review of NBA results and the individual outstanding performances from each game. Search for Yesterday's NBA Results from your podcast app or check the show notes page for more info. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our daily dad joke app on Android and Apple.